Gill's Furniture, bought and sold by Sandra Cisneros. There is a junk store. An old man owns it. We bought a used refrigerator from him once, and Carlos sold a box of magazines for $1. The store is small, with just a dirty window for light. He doesn't turn the lights on unless you got money to buy things with. So, in the dark, we look and see all kinds of things. Me and Nenny. Tables with their feet upside down, and rows of refrigerators with rounded corners, and couches that spin dust in the air when you punch them, and 100 TVs that don't work, probably. Everything is on top of everything, so the whole store has skinny aisles to walk through. You can get lost easy. The owner, he is a black man who doesn't talk much, and sometimes if you didn't know better, you could be in there a long time before your eyes notice a pair of gold glasses floating in the dark. Nenny, who thinks she is smart and talks to any old man, asks lots of questions. Me, I never said nothing to him, except once, when I bought the Statue of Liberty for $0.10. But Nenny, I hear her asking one time, "How's this here?" And the man says, This is a music box." And I turn around quick, thinking he means a pretty box with flowers painted on it, with a ballerina inside. Only there's nothing like that where this old man is pointing. Just a wood box that's old and got a big brass record in it with holes. Then he starts it up, and all sorts of things start happening. It's like all of a sudden he let go a million moths all over the dusty furniture, and swan-necked shadows, and in our bones. It's like drops of water, or like marimbas, only with a funny little pluck sound in it, like if you were running your fingers across the teeth of a metal comb. And I don't know why, but I have to turn around and pretend I don't care about the box, so Nenny won't see how stupid I am. But Nenny, who is stupider, already is asking how much, and I can see her fingers going for the quarters in her pants pocket. "This," the old man says, shutting the lid, "this ain't for sale." And there's a picture of what Gill's Furniture Store looks like.